This is monumental. This marks the second manufacturer dabbling in 10.3-inch Kaleido 3 color e-paper, and the first one by Onyx. This is the Boox Tab Ultra C. Based off of the Tab Ultra platform comes this amazing machine with 300 ppi in black and white, 150 ppi in color, capacitive plus Wacom, 4 gigs onboard RAM, 128 gigs storage, Android 11, and a staggering 6300 milliamp battery. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the first time they've ever done cosmic black, as they've written right here. A lot of the previous models have been blackish green, dark blue, black, and a bunch of other kind of color names. But this is the first time they've gone with this color scheme. The Boox is a nicely packed landscape-oriented box with an outer sleeve, and you get this little Oreo sandwich cookie kind of layout with an orange strip. Boox has been kind of struggling with their color identity. They tried greens, they tried orange stripes and stuff like that, contrasting single colors to kind of identify themselves. They have a nice foam inlay, that's really nice. It makes sure that your device is safe. Right there we see that Kaleido 3 shining through. We're going to put that off to the side and explore the rest of the box first. We have that, and you're wondering what that is. That's for the camera bump. Yes, this actually has a camera bump. Not a lot of ebook readers truly do. So under here we have all of the regulatory information, the Ultra Series user guide, what everything is, what everything does, where everything is located, and a corresponding serial number that is on the box itself. Hold on to all that if you guys want to or not, doesn't matter. Now, well, actually does matter for warranty purposes, we'll say that. I don't know what kind of pen they're using. Let's see. Have they changed the pen? They included the Pen 2 Pro. Very nice. Okay, so it's not the Pen Plus, it's the Pen 2 Pro, which actually has an eraser there too. This pushes down, and there's about a 1.5, maybe 2 millimeter gap that pushes down, and that activates the eraser. The whole pen is very nicely built. It is an aluminum build. I love this pen. Very solid pen. I believe there should be maybe some tips in there. Nope, you have a SIM removal tool for the expandable storage. Sorry, not SIM. They don't have SIM on this. Big Me has SIM. They have SD on this one. And you have a USB-C charging cable. Everybody, what is going on with this? This is the Onyx. This is the one everyone has been waiting for. No discredit to Big Me and Fujitsu and all the other manufacturers dabbling in color right now, but Onyx is the market share leader and the most synonymous name with eNotes. That's an indisputable fact. There's the camera on the back. Big chunky bump, and actually this is some Aztec pyramid kind of thing because it's triple layered. There's 1, 2, 3 levels of height differences, which is really cool. You have, I believe, a flash package and a light sensor. It could be 2 flash packages. We will have to check that out when we get into the full review. You have this really cool widthwise kind of luxury bag Louis Vuitton style experience here, and each individual character is a different gloss paint, so it's very sticky as you go over it. It's textured. On this side you have the 5-pin pogo pins for the keyboard, which they also have, not included. You have a speaker on this side, a speaker on the other side, you have a microphone, you have a SD card slot, you have a USB-C charger. I think I missed the power button right there, and nothing on the top. Now that's everything, but come on, this is Kaleido 3, guys. This is the only other unit using it. We have to show it. That we have to get into just a little bit of color content. We'll show you guys just the home screen, the UI. Then we're going to break. We are going to do an update, and then we'll get into the full review in a future video. Yeah, this is definitely looking exactly right up the alley we want to see with Kaleido, and we love that it's on an Onyx because Onyx is typically a little bit more of a refined experience. They've been around for a very, very long time, and we expect nothing except absolute perfection on this unit moving forward, which we will get into a full review. You have the home screen here as well. There's lots of stuff you can do. There's some quick keys down below. You can swipe things left and right, and you have a drop down with all of your information, all of which we are going to get into in the full review coming up right after this video. Everybody, this is all the goodies, bells, and whistles included in the Onyx Boox Tab Ultra C, the second unit in the world using Kaleido 3 Color E-Ink tech. For GoodyReader.com, have a great day.